guys, I'm playing Bistrom Simulate. So today I'm not playing with my cousin Super Irish Plays. He's playing with my brother. So I'm playing Bistrom. He's playing Airplane 1 Story if you want to check it out. So I don't know why did they not invite me, and I will make a prank soon. I'll make an account. I will make their name like noobs. Do you hear them? They did not invite me. So yeah. I'll show you a secret that Ownet hide from us when the Christmas and up. Do you see that over here? He did not remove it, so I will add a second. Wait, I know that. So this is a secret. I just remove, like, put a platform again. So that block you see kill me. What? Don't kill me now. I'm safe, yay. So behold Bistrom. You will see secrets of Bistrom behind. So you see, why my base is lagging? No. So storm is that if I go outside, I will see Windy Beast and Vicious Bee outside, and they tell me, "Here we go." I jumped. They told me there's a secret over here. Oh, damn it. They told me that, what the, he tabled me. So you see there's a secret. A secret that Ownet was hiding. So you will see Vicious Bee and Windy Bees. It is not there. It is somewhere around. Not in this area. And you know, when I go to this secret, you see there was it was yellow because on it draw like a thing. You need to go to the channel. I forgot his name, so he will tell you what happened. I know the name on Fox, so I think if you remember that name, you need to check his channel. Hoboshan. I forgot his own name because I do not watch a video. Why I cannot make quests? What the hell just happened? I have to reset. What is this weird thing? Okay, I don't know what's happening. My mic is lagging. So I'm hearing you're talking my cousin and my brother. So yeah, guys, my cousin tell me he will be some and record a video. So I need to figure out how to tell on it. So yeah, guys, I need to end this. What the? Now is giving me so quest. Okay, guys, our fish.